Hello, today I'm going to create a program that solves the 2 bits module. We see a grid of letters in a query and submit button. The manual tells us to first find the initial code, which we do by taking the serial number's leftmost letter's numeric position in the alphabet as the base value, with A being 1. That means that our starting value will be 5. The second step is to add the last digit of the serial number multiplied by the number of batteries present. That means that we must add 14, giving us 19. We then have to check the global rules. The first one says if there is a stereo RCA port present, double the current value. If we look at the first asterisk, we can see we have to skip this step if there is an RJ45 port present, which there is, so let's move on. This is our initial value. When we look at the chart, and go to the corresponding row and column, we get PT. We must put this in the module and query the response. We get 10. The manual tells us to repeat step 2 2 more times with the new numbers we get. 10 gives us EE. We get 16, which gives us TP. We get 50, which gives us GB. Now we must press submit instead of query. After an obnoxious noise, the module is complete. Since the initial value is based on edge work, the initial value is the same, so we put in PT. We get 23, which gives us CC. We get 54, which gives us BP. We get 65, which gives us BB. We put in PT. We get 79, which gives us VZ. We get 91, which gives us CT. We get 33, which gives us KG. We put in PT. We get 20, which gives us TZ. We get 82, which gives us DV. We get 83, which gives us CG. We put in PT. We get 66, which gives us PC. We get 61, which gives us DD. We get 20, which gives us TZ. I made 2 GUIs. The first shows the user what the first code to query is since it's entirely based on edge work. Once the user presses the submit button, the second GUI is shown. This one has a text box for the user to give the results of the previous stage's query. When the user gets to the 4th stage, the answer will change from press query to press submit instead. There's nothing really else to say about this GUI since it's just putting in a number, and spitting it back out. The program was also easy to implement. The first thing I did was create a method that will find the initial number. This was done by using the edgework information that is given in any module class, and following the directions from the manual. Nothing too crazy. I then had the painstaking task implementing the graph that is found from the module, to get the actual code the user needs to submit. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a fast and optimized way of doing this besides using a switch statement and writing all 100 cases. It wasn't hard, it was just annoying. I was also nervous of messing up the return value and having to take a long time debugging just to find my finger slipped. Luckily that wasn't the case and I did this module with little to no mistakes. Let's see a demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.